$1 trillion federal windfall for manufacturing, mining, and infrastructure projects is boosting this stock. Caterpillar stock just rocketed today after crushing its Q2 earnings. Sales and earnings increased but slowed compared to the growth it had in Q1. It grew because 75% of Caterpillar's construction business is non-residential and is benefiting from the Inflation Reduction Act, the CHIPS Act, and the 2021 infrastructure law. That's because a large part of the industries that would benefit from increased funding involved infrastructure projects. For example, almost half of the $1.2 trillion infrastructure bill went towards upgrading highways, bridges, airports, water systems, and more. And for the last 12 months until May 2023, the Commerce Department saw a 76% increase in spending towards manufacturing and construction jobs compared to the same period last year. And Caterpillar benefits from this in multiple ways. Caterpillar is building high-tension lines, wind turbines, and charging stations that power the energy transition. On top of that, many battery and chip plants being constructed right now are often using Caterpillar construction equipment. They're also benefiting from an increase in mining activity that's necessary for electric vehicles and their batteries. Even though Caterpillar jumped almost 9% today after its earnings call, it has barely outperformed the S&P 500 this year to date in 2023 because management had given bad guidance in Q1 due to fears of inflation and supply chain issues. Do you think that will change?